Hello, today we are going to be unboxing May 2021's Pick My Orchid. And for those of you who don't know, Pick My Orchid is a contest that I do on my Instagram channel where I let my followers pick between two orchids that I'm willing to buy. And then whichever orchid gets the most votes is the orchid that I buy. And it's something that I'm going to be doing less because at this point I consider my orchid collection to be complete. I have a lot of interesting species, primary hybrids, complex hybrids, things like that. And at this point I don't really feel like I need to add any more orchids to my collection, which is a good place to be at. Okay, so here is the packing slip. And for those of you who do not know, the orchid that won the Pick My Orchid is Val Zhang's Jigen Cherry Prince crossed with Kingfisher's Dragon Wing. Now this is a seedling and not a clone of the orchids shown on the website, but the seedling that they had shown was a nice round flower. It looked pretty large had a lot of influence from the Gigantea. But they're all seedlings, so they're not all going to look the same. Let me use this box that I had lying around from the last unboxing that I did, which I think I did yesterday. And so I ordered the mature size. I think you saw on the packing slip. Yeah, it was on the packing slip. So this is what you can expect for the mature size. And the packaging looks complex, and if you have any issues unpacking your orchid, on the YouTube channel, on Norman's Orchids YouTube channel, they have an unboxing tutorial, and they show how to take it out of the packaging properly and not just ripping it out like I did. But there are no flowers on it, so I wasn't expecting, I wasn't, worried about breaking anything. Oh look, there's a little bud right there. So hopefully we'll see what this one looks like and see if it resembles the one on the website, the sample photo, or if it looks totally different. And that'll be interesting. But the reason I did this Pick My Orchid was because I wanted a Phalaenopsis with Phal Gigantea in the background, because as of right now I don't think I have any Phalaenopsis in my collection, and I have quite a few that have Gigantea in their background. And the Zhang's Jigen Cherry is I think it's Kung's Red Cherry crossed with Gigantea, but it's a Gigantea cross, so it has at least 25% Gigantea heritage. So I'm hoping for large round flowers with interesting spotting. But I'm also hoping for a smaller plant like this, because the Gigantea is called Gigantea because it gets gigantic. And that's what I don't want. And that's why I've kind of waited off getting a Gigantea orchid. But here it is. Here is May 2021's Pick My Orchid. Thank you to everybody who participated. You helped me make the choice to get this orchid, and I appreciate you for that. So I will see you in the next video. I actually think my next video is going to be... Oop. Let me slow it down. Actually, let me show you what I'm going to be doing my next video on, since it's right over here. This. Okay. You take it out. So I got this trellis. And I've been putting my orchids on it. A lot of divisions, like this is a division, that's a division, and that is a division as well. And this Hoya carrii is not a division, but I think it should do well in Southern California outside because last winter we did not even get a frost over here. So I'm not super worried about any cold damage with this one over here. But yeah, since my collection is kind of big, I'm now moving my some of my divisions outside to see how well they do. And then some of them that I don't even have space for at all anymore, I may just start doing giveaways. So back to this one. Okay, so this is my Val Jongsji and Cherry Prince crossed with Kingfisher's Dragon Wing. May 2021's Pick My Orchid. Thank you to everybody who participated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!